BLDC motor Hall effect sensors testing video. First of all, I have to select 5 volt DC. Multimeter needs to be selected on DC voltage range. Then after I should apply 5 volt DC to Hall sensors connector red positive and black negative. Now, connect the multimeter negative probe with PSU negative terminal and positive probe to Hall sensor A. Now, slowly rotate the motor shaft with hand and observe the changes in voltage. If voltage varies between 15 mV to 4.7 volts, it means the sensor is working properly. As can be seen, voltages change on Hall sensor A. Once I rotate the motor shaft slowly with hand, it means the Hall A is working fine. Hall sensor B. Same with Hall B, it's working fine. Hall C has some difference in voltage as compared with Hall A and B. Dear friends, in this way, with 5 volt DC power supply, we can check the Hall sensors of any BLDC motor or electric hub motor. Thanks for watching.